Tuna!
Hook the desired fish.
Hey!
Perfect.
I should make a song for us. Yo ho, the tuna fish is life for me. Tuna fisher, tuna fisher, tuna fish is life. Yo ho, bring in the fish. What do you think of that song?
I wasn't paying attention.
Oh.
Yes, do.
Press cast. Hook the desired fish. Got him on. Wow! Big tuna. Keep reeling the fish in. It's a white shark. Pull the rod. Keep it up.
Holy moly, catch a great white shark!
Cast.
Holy moly!
Press cast.
We're making some shark fin soup.
Got him on. Pull the rod. The fish in. Amberjack. Let's try this again. Let's bring this in.
Wow! Look at that! He's done wicked and wicked tuna! Bad jokes are the best! Hashtag can't stop, won't stop!
Good try. Give it another shot, Captain.
Anyways, you're up at Corbin. It's all be up at the Subscribe to the channel, like the video. Peace!